people. Yeah. So this is going to be an absolute crappy video. I have very little footage for you guys. Yeah, very little footage. I really didn't do a whole lot this weekend. I mean, I did, but it wasn't stuff that you guys want to see, you know. Not unless you guys want to see me out there on a little zero-turn mowing the yard. Because, you know, Sunday was Mother's Day, so, you know, I took the wife out to Starbucks, which I try to, she's a good woman. I try to take her to Starbucks every Sunday regardless, you know. So we had Starbucks for breakfast and then went home. I dug through the wiring to get the voltage regulator wiring and voltmeter for the old Jeep. And I got all that wired up. We'll give the Brand X voltage regulator brownie points because if you pull the top off, there is, you know, the little jumper. You can put it right on AGM, and it was like pretty easy to get the Jeep converted, you know, down to 14.4. But I got that other battery in it. And then I mowed my yard. And I took the old Jeep out to, well, nope. Then I went to my buddy Sess and I got new doors for my Jeep. Jeep doors kind of suck because they take this Torx bit, you know, screw to hold the hinge to the door. And every single one that I have tried to take off, either the Torx bit breaks or the screws round off. Which the case with my doors on my Jeep, the screws are rounded off. But that it happened out there when I was taking the doors off of that 99 or 2000 that the Torx bit broke. But luckily the fenders were off the thing and we could get a grinder wheel in there and just whack them right off. Whack off. But anyway, we got them off. I got those home. As I said, I still got to do some work to do the swap on that, but it shouldn't be terrible. So I got doors, and then I took my Jeep out to Billy's, which I have a little video clip of that. Okay, it was sad leaving it there. But I think my old buddy Billy's going to do some of the work for me this weekend. Okay, he's off on Fridays normally, and he gets bored. So when he gets bored, he's like, I might jump in here and do some work on it. I trust him. He knows what he's doing. So we're good there. But really, guys, that's about all. You know, yesterday, as y'all know, I said I was going to work on that transmission in the Blazer. And that is what I did. I had to run some errands yesterday morning. I got home. And, you know, I don't have a garage. I don't have concrete. So I'm using pieces of 3/4 inch maple to put the jack on and put the jack stands on so they don't sink in the ground. Sketch. So I'm underneath it. I get the pan down and I put a new wiring harness in. It's a 4L60E. I've never been in one of them, but I put a new wiring harness in because the solenoid for the lockup converter, you know, I had it where you cut the wires and try to tie them in, or you can buy it with the harness. I kind of needed the harness anyway, so I put that all in. And one of the solenoids that I ordered for that transmission, for the lockup converter also, it wound up being not in my 94. Luckily, I looked at the paper to come with this wiring harness, and it said, you know, for that solenoid 95 up, so Rock Auto was wrong. But I got that far with it, and then I started thinking to myself, you know, I should probably replace all the solenoids in here. So right now, I put the pan back on. I cleaned the pan out, and I left the old gasket on it, and I bolted it back in place with a few bolts to seal it up. But I decided to go ahead and order the other solenoids because, you know, the trans was doing it. Like, the trans works fine. It's just got some really weird shifting. When you're in overdrive, it feels like it keeps shifting between third and fourth. And then sometimes it'll just kind of like lose pressure, and like you can rev, but it don't really want to move over 40 mile an hour. But you can pull over, shut the car off, start it back up, and it's fine. So I think it's either, you know, it's got something to do with the solenoid. So I'm like, I'm just going to replace all of them because I'm not sure which one it is. But anyway, guys, that's about all I got going. I wish I had a better update because I know a lot of you guys are here wanting to see what's going on with the build. And sadly, until I get all the welding done up front, you know, by the windshield area, there ain't nothing I can do. Like nothing. Because I don't want to put the roof portion of wood up without the windshield being done, because I have to get in that one channel and use the wire wheel to clean out all that foam, fill it with the PL HD or whatever, or PL Max. And before I can put the PL Max in, I really need to go through and weld up everything that needs to be welded, add the steel, and then I can do that. So, guys, I'm sorry it ain't a better video, but I got a lot done, just not audio related done. But anyway, guys, thank y'all for watching. For the people that joined the YouTube membership thing to my channel, I really appreciate you guys. I think there's only one of you, but I still appreciate you. The guys that left the super thanks comments, that everything helps, you know. I've had guys reaching out to me, offering to help send me supplies for the rebuild. I appreciate all that, and everything helps, you know. But I appreciate all y'all watching and wasting your time watching this. I know some of you guys save these videos till you're on the toilet pushing one out. So, hey, I appreciate you guys too. But anyway, guys, peace out. Thank you. Base on. Driving the old Jeep out to Billy's to drop it off. I never knew it was this loud. I'm talking the exhaust. Without the enclosure and stuff in here, it's really weird. I just had to drive it on the highway, and it was so loud. And the exhaust echoes. I'm sure you can hear it. It's kind of weird driving it without a system in it. It's been a few years. It drives a lot better. I mean, it rides rougher, but it's got a lot more power without the system. Our new home for the next couple of weeks. Billy said he might start working on that roof stuff, but his neighbor's going to cut the windshield out for us. So I got the steel there to fix all that. And yeah, that's like my only update from Sunday. Normally I have more going on. I did go get the doors this morning to replace these doors. They're black. It won't look terrible. But I got me a little battery back there that I stuck in here where my C-Max went. The Brand X voltage regulator came in handy. I opened it up and put it on AGM battery, and we held 14.4 all the way here. So there's Billy over there. There's Miss Ain't Loud, but this is a big shop. I mean, got tons of room to work in here. And there is a welder here somewhere. Yeah, it's over under the blanket. But anyway, guys, that's all I got for you, because until we pull the windshield out of here and weld up all that stuff, I can't do anything to this Jeep. I will tell you that it's got a lot more power. It's sitting 3 inches higher in the back now without all the weight in it, but the exhaust is way too damn loud being in there. Peace out.